Watch's Tim Smith checking on rain to the south of us. Tim, is that holding together?
So far it is, but we think it should stay to the south of us. If you look at it on the First 15 Doppler network, you can see kind of down here off to the southwest of the valley. It was kind of farther to the northwest earlier, but it's creeping southeastward. A lot of lightning in that. Some of those storms in there are severe, but it looks like they should stay to the south. The rest of the stuff we're seeing up here, what we call the cirrus blow-off, the tops of the clouds being pushed off to the northeast and across parts of the valley. But it looks like these storms should stay down there. That's what most of the models are suggesting. So we don't see anything coming in here through 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning. We'll continue to watch just in case, but it looks like, again, for the most part, this stuff stays away. Then during the daytime tomorrow, you see some color showing up on the map again. By midday or so, a cool front slides into the area. That front could trigger a shower or a thunderstorm in a couple of spots. There's potential for it to be a pretty strong shower storm, especially in the western part of the valley. By middle of the afternoon, it's pushing through, maybe a lingering shower behind it, and then things should quiet down. The front, though, is going to stall just to the south of us. When it does, it's going to continue to give us a chance for a shower or two into the daytime hours, even on Thursday. Now, here's your severe weather potential for tonight into tomorrow. A marginal risk in the western part of the valley, which means isolated severe storms are possible. Again, isolated and possible are the key words there. Eastern part of the valley, non-severe storms are possible. Don't think anything's going to go severe across Cameron or Willacy County, but again, we'll watch it for you just in case. In the meantime, best chance of rain this week is tomorrow at 30%. Leftover stuff early Thursday at 20%, and then after that we're dry through the weekend and into the early part of next week. Temperature-wise, here's where we stand right now. Still 91 in Rio Grande City, but 81 in Raymondville, rather, and then 84 on South Pottery Island. Dew points. Oh, is it humid out there? Step out and feel it. Upper 70s, 79 is the dew point in Brownsville, 76 in Weslaco. We'll put the average of about 77 on the muggy meter, and that's almost pegging the needle. That's near the top of the chart, so it really is humid out there. But here's the good news. As far as that's concerned, humidity is going to take a pretty good drop behind that front late tomorrow and then stay down into the weekend. So we're not talking, wintertime humidity is way down here, but still, compared to what it is right now, it will get more comfortable by the time we get to late Wednesday into Thursday. Here's tomorrow's highs. They're all in the mid-90s, except at the beach, about 88 there. And again, the small chance for a shower or a thunderstorm. As you look at the next 7 days, the normal high by the 7th day is 96. And we're going to be below that until about the end of the forecast period. But by the middle of next week, back above average again, about 98. The big thing is, look at the nighttime lows dropping well below average, especially just in time for the weekend. Front comes in and stalls late tomorrow and early Thursday, but eventually pushes on south. That drier air builds in, and once that happens, the nice weather builds into the area. Yes, warm during the day, but low humidity and relatively pleasant at night. So for tonight, though, no low humidity. It's about as sticky as it gets. 79 for a low. Some places won't get below 80. We're watching out west for any sign of a shower or a thunderstorm. Tomorrow, spotty storms are possible, a high of 93. We'll watch that front come through. The winds will then shift and slightly drier air will build in. Front kind of hangs out through Thursday, though. Could be a leftover early shower storm, but after that, it's dry. Look at those nighttime lows, upper 60s through the weekend into early next week. That is your updated First 15 accurate weather forecast.